So the objective is to secure, to transfer or transport the VIPs from their present location to the entrance of the parade ground. User shield. Okay, negotiator. Pagkanuhin natin yung negotiator. Okay, execute. Itakas nyo na. Oh, mahina yung ano natin, no? May butas yung protesters natin. Oh, sige. Okay, capture now. The basketball players. Sa likod. Sa likod. Alalahanin nyo. Minuto yung laro ng FIFA. Napano tayo?
Wala, dapat di masudlan.
Okay, parang ayaw ng passes ng protesters natin. Nangihina. Okay, basketball teams.
Wala, pulis bagi dakop.
Nagkatsul,
Oh,
di,
right.
VIPs. Grabe, napakasolid ng ginawa ng DNPP. Sila yung may 1 minute and 40 seconds kanina. Ayan. They're successfully transported the 14 VIPs. No? Time out. Time out. Okay, tapos na. Okay, tapos na.